Chandigarh University Punjab has been rated 4.2 by students on Shiksha.com. How is the MSc program here? Let's find out. Starting with the placements rated 4 out of 5 stars. According to the NIRF 2024 overall report, out of the 2,103 two-year PG graduating students in 2022-23, 1,506 secured placements, while 597 chose to pursue higher studies. Top recruiters include Mankind, Xyla, Chegg, Urban Pro, and Alembic, and offered roles such as botanists, researchers, professors, and scientists. The highest package was reported between 13 to 20 lakh per annum, while the median package stands at 6.5 lakh per annum for 2022-23. Speaking of internships, CU offers numerous opportunities that focus on industry-relevant skills and experiential learning. MSc students could secure internships at Sun Pharma, Cipla, and Serum Institute, with stipends ranging from 10,000 to 25,000 per month, and many also receive pre-placement offers. Moving on now to the academics, where CU's MSc is rated 4.2 and offers 14 specializations including botany, data science, zoology, nutrition and dietetics, and industrial chemistry. Admission is based on scores from Chandigarh University Common Entrance Test. Tuition fees ranges from 1.68 to 2.96 lakh for 2 years, depending on the chosen specialization. Scholarships are provided as fee waivers based on CUCET scores and merit criteria, with yearly renewal contingent on maintaining a minimum CGPA of 7.5. Switching gears to the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. Chandigarh University spans over an area of 250 acres and is located on the National Highway 5 Chandigarh-Ludhiana Highway. The Wi-Fi enabled campus features spacious ICT classrooms, a well-stocked library with high-tech labs including Google Android Lab and Environmental Biotechnology Lab. There are separate hostels for boys and girls, with each hostel having its own mess. Students are happy with both sports and other amenities. Turning our attention to the 4.2 rated faculty and course. Many faculty members have PhDs, and some prominent ones include Kiran Bedi and Dr. R.M. Vasagam. Chandigarh University has established 500 collaborations with international universities across 95 plus countries. With substantial funding, 50 research groups, 30 advanced labs, and numerous patents, it actively supports innovative ideas. Now on to the 4.4 rated campus life. CU features cultural events like live concerts and literary fests. Noteworthy is CU Rhythms and the International Folklore Festival. CU is currently ranked 32nd in the NIRF and has moved up 13 ranks from the last year. And to explore thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app.